think that I have always wanted to be an entrepreneur. I was a little girl really wanting to change the world, and probably entrepreneurship is a way to change a bit the world around. So this is from the very beginning, but also when I discovered that the technology I was developing can have an application, this application goes through entrepreneurship. So I was participating in a project trying to discover the customers around our technology, and this makes me really feel that the technology can have an application, and discovering what were the needs of the people made me make this change. I have been at IRB responsible for a research line that leads to the technology that is in Gate2Brain. This technology helps drugs to reach the brain. This was a basic research during many years, but the idea of, okay, these findings, we can apply them to really bring drugs to the brain and bring drugs beyond barriers. It was the decision. I love creating teams, and Gate2Brain needed a team that is multidisciplinary, of excellent people around here, and well, in Barcelona and Madrid and Tel Aviv, people that was trying to help these drugs to reach the brain, and putting together this team was part of the fun. The most important strategic decision from the beginning was focusing that the first indication that will benefit from our technology is in the field of pediatric oncology. This is thanks to the collaboration with Sant Joan de Déu Pediatric Hospital here in Barcelona. Probably the most beautiful advice I have ever been given is that sometimes the impossible only comes later. And this can be applied to many fields in your life and also in entrepreneurship. Let's guess. Sometimes the impossible only comes later. I have learned a lot about me, moving from being more a scientist based in a basic research lab to this business world. I have learned a lot about being outside of my comfort area, but also I have learned about the team, how to lead the team, how to make the team believe in these impossible things will change and by working together. And I have learned a lot about the science behind Gate2Brain. If I can start now, I will have loved to know that the science will be advancing so fast during those 2 years. Now we look backwards and see that, okay, science has advanced a lot, and we have now the efficacy in animal models, which I cannot even dream about it 2 years ago. In the next 1 to 3 years, there are different milestones. From science, we will love to finish the preclinical, non-regulatory and regulatory in 3 years, and to be at the door of a clinical trial probably here in Barcelona.